Good morning, Rockstar Kindergartners. Today for our morning bids, we're going to do a Play-Doh challenge. So we have 4 different Play-Doh challenge cards that we're going to look at. Okay, friends, so I'm rolling out my Play-Doh to do my Play-Doh challenge cards. Okay, so I'm gonna look and do Play-Doh challenge. Okay, then I'm gonna roll it again. Roll, roll, roll. I'm going to try to do the next Play-Doh challenge card. It kind of looks like a Z to me a little bit. All right, friends. So now it's your turn. You can do all 4 Play-Doh challenge cards. You can do just one of them. You get to decide. And remember, boys and girls, you're not going to log on for our whole group session until 9:15 today, okay? So after you do your Play-Doh challenge, I want you to take a little break because today is the big day. Today we are taking our iReady reading test, okay? So do your Play-Doh challenge, and then you're not going to log on to the whole group until 9:15. I will see you all soon.